Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Vimeo to host LinkedIn portfolio videos, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Vimeo for hosting LinkedIn portfolio videos, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Vimeo website and log into your Vimeo account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Join button. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, find the option labeled Apps and click on it. Next, scroll down to the section that mentions API and authentication. Click on the Generate Token button to create a new authentication token. Select the permissions that you need for hosting LinkedIn videos, such as uploading and editing. After configuring the permissions, generate the token and copy the provided string to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and go to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the Add Profile section button to include videos in your portfolio. Choose the featured option to add a new video link. Head back to Vimeo and find the video you want to showcase. Click on the video to open it, and copy the URL from the address bar. Return to LinkedIn and paste the Vimeo video URL into the designated field. Once pasted, LinkedIn will automatically retrieve video details and display a preview. You can add a title and description to give context to your video. Make sure everything looks good and click on the Save button. You should now see the Vimeo video featured on your LinkedIn profile. To ensure the video is visible to others, check your profile's visibility settings. Make any necessary adjustments to your privacy settings in both Vimeo and LinkedIn. That completes the authentication process for hosting Vimeo videos on your LinkedIn portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.